Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to change your GCash number in Casino Plus. So let's start. First, it's important to know that it's better to change the number in the GCash account with the customer support than in Casino Plus. I think Casino Plus is not possible to do it, and I think it's not secure. It's better to do it with the official website of GCash. How you can do it? Well, you can unsubscribe or link your GCash from service or app, or change your number. And also, well, you can do it here. Well, select the method you want. It's auto debit payment or link and pay. In this case, I will select link and pay. And this happens when you link your cash account or merchant platform for easy future payments. No need to create your details every time. So if you want a support here, you can click here and will transfer to the page when they can submit the problem here. You can fill all the information here: your email address, your cash register full name, your account, your mobile number, the transaction, the cash reference, amount, or name the merchant. Okay, and well, this is in Philippines, and this one too. Then you have to fill everything, and then please share happening or other information about your concern. Why you want to change the number? Maybe because you change it, maybe because you don't wanna anymore. So fill everything here, and when you do it, you can add a file if you want. This option, don't worry. If you don't want to add a file here, you can start with only the submit. Okay, and then just continue and submit the information. When you do it, well, the customer support will contact you by phone number or by email address. So that's just how you can do it, guys. And then you can start the processing of changing your phone number on your GCash account. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.